ARMY and everyone who loves BTS, welcome to my new video. And let me tell you this, that I am uploading this video a little bit late, but a few weeks ago our J-Hope appeared on Melon's Big Hit Music Record, where he shared his playlist of his favorite songs by Korean artists right now. So let's see all of his favorite songs one by one, and it's really fun to know about them. Now let's start with the first song. The first song is Stay by Blackpink. There are many hard-hitting songs in the discography of Blackpink, but Stay is a soothing folk pop song which was released on 1 November 2016 by YG Entertainment. It was peaked at number 10 on the Gaon Digital chart. This song gives you the feeling of loneliness when somebody doesn't care about you. The next song is Closer. It is the second EP by another K-pop girl group, Oh My Girl, released by WM Entertainment on 8th October 2015. Its lyrics were actually in English, but a lyricist, So Ji-young, wrote them in Korean. It gives you the mysterious dreamlike feeling whenever you listen to this song. The third song is Love You to Death. It's a song by a Korean singer, Taeyang, who is also the member of a famous K-pop boy band, Big Bang. This song is from his album Rise, which was released in 2014. You can check out this album. All the songs of this album have a different kind of vibe. The fourth song is After You Fall Asleep, 네가 잠든 후에. This song also belongs to the previous artist Taeyang's first solo studio album, Solar. It's an upbeat song with happy vibes featuring Swings, who added a special touch with his awesome rap skills. All in all, it's a beautiful song and I personally love it so much. Now let's move on to the fifth song, which is Lay Your Head on Me. It's a beautiful sweet song by a Korean artist, Crush. The lyrics of this song are running on the sweet guitar melody. It is really comforting when you listen to this song. The sixth song is Thank You for Breathing. This song was released in 2011, which brings together three epic artists of K-pop industry. Tablo, who is the member of the famous hip-hop Korean band Epic High, Bong Tae-gyu, and Yankee. The lyrics and composition of this song make you fall in love with it. And We Go. It's the first English song from soloist and television host Sung Si-kyung, who sings in Korean and Japanese too. It's a guitar-based song and has a beautiful soothing vibe accompanied by the beautiful voice of Si-kyung. So the eighth song is Slender, which is one of the earliest songs by J-Hope's Big Hit Music label mate Ihyun. Ihyun is an amazing singer of Big Hit Music with a heavenly voice. Every artist of Big Hit Entertainment loves and respects him because he is such a great and humble artist. The ninth song is You in the Memory, which is originally sung by a Korean singer, Hwang Ji-hoon, but Lee Seung-gi made it his own in 2008, and it's a really beautiful song. The last song of this playlist is none other than Permission to Dance. As we all know that our BTS and J-Hope are enjoying the success of their latest release, Permission to Dance, so how it could be possible that this song would not be added in his playlist? So these are the 10 songs of J-Hope's playlist. I know that some of them have been already in your playlist. If not, go and add them and feel the aura of this beautiful playlist of your own favorite, our sunshine, our hope, our J-Hope.